Hey fam, Amapiano queen Lady Do just launched her own wine brand, Sip of Piano. She's now in the wine game and has everyone talking and arguing. Some are calling it Gina's hustle, others are saying the name is a miss. Now let's react to it all, the love, the shade, and of course my small take on it. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and let's get into it. So Lady Do, real name Duruzile Ngwenya, announced this self-funded project. She said, I have my own wine, self-funded, I'm still in production, but you know me, I don't wait for the perfect moment. I dream, I execute, and launch. And that right there is pure boss energy. She doesn't even drink, but saw the love for alcohol in SA and decided to create something cultural, blending her Amapiano world with wine. And the name, I must say, it's a clever play of Amapiano and sipping wine. And apparently it comes in Pinotage, Classic SA Red, and Plans for Rosé. She's the youngest to own a wine brand in SA. Still fact checking that. You'll also remember she's in the salon business as well. Now let's start with the positive feedback. No one hustles like this lady. I love it for her. Lady Do is a smart businesswoman. Met her at SME Summit. Very smart. I love seeing black women doing big things. Congratulations, Lady Do. Which artist took notes from her hustle? This is inspiring. She's building an empire, salons, properties, now wine. Self-funded queen showing that artists can do modern music. But not everyone was sipping the Kool-Aid or wine, as there were some who were like, who's gonna buy this nonsense? They just slapped the piano name onto anything now. Branding and naming was always bad. Why not a simple name? Do piano fans even drink wine? Target market value? Are they really the target market? No one is going to buy that thing. The name, Sip of Piano, some feel it sounds awkward, especially when asking for it at a bar. It's too tied to Amapiano fans who might want something stronger. These are fair points. Branding matters in wine. But hey, it's her vibe, her culture, her fans. Now to my small take on it. The name is bold, it stands out. And in a world where celebrity brands are everywhere, she did it her way, self-funded, authentic, and tied to her identity. So that should maybe count for something. The backlash, every big move gets it. Remember some of the big brands, people laughed at them at first. This is not something new. One thing though, it better taste good. Because if it does and she markets it right, events, collabos here and there, Amapiano parties, it could fly off the shelves. But if it doesn't taste good, then it'll be a thing of the past. Otherwise, shout out to her for showing that dreams become reality, especially when you don't wait for perfection and just execute. What are your thoughts though? Let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.